As a small aside, before I forget, since we mentioned first-person shooters so much, outside of Overwatch, what are some of the great shooters of all time that you've played?
Quake is the greatest.
Quake is GOAT.
Yeah, Quake is GOAT. There's a lot of contenders up there.
What have you logged the most hours in outside of the
Rust.
games? Okay. Can you? Okay. A lot of folks have written to me that I need to play Rust, the video game. I have not. I've not even looked into it. Somebody on Reddit said it has a steep learning curve. I would like to give it a chance because you have to me spoken so highly of it. So can you explain Rust?
Yeah, Rust is an open world game. It's a procedural map, so it means that every time it's different. You're always on an island, and it resets every month. So
Is it PvP?
it's all PvP. In fact, Rust is the most PvP thing in all of PvP.
I don't know what that means, but
Rust players know what that means.
everybody who plays Rust and loves it sounds to me like they're in a cult. So with all due respect, please don't write me letters.
They're too busy playing Rust. They're too busy checking on their base, making sure it's not rated to write you letters.
Okay.
It takes place, it's open world. You can do whatever you want. There's not really any directed gameplay to it. But at any time, any other player can kill you and take anything that's on you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then you build what Rust players called bases, and you upgrade the base, and you try to make the base as safe as possible to store your stuff. And then you can make explosives and blow up other people's walls to get into their base where they're keeping all their best stuff and take all their shit
It like permanently?
permanently. Like, it
Oh,
would
I
be like
see.
PvPing in WoW. Imagine in World of Warcraft
Uh-huh.
if somebody could not only kill you, but take everything that's in your bank and make you level 1 the next time you log in.
Wow. That's very stressful.
The beauty of Rust and why it's so good is you can't have the high highs without the low lows.
Mm-hmm.
And
Like real low lows.
real low lows,
Wow. All
like
right.
debilitating, like, am I ever going to play this game lows? You know, like you
Right.
spend a week building the world's most perfect base and getting tons of loot. And then there's what's called online rating and offline rating. Online rating means that my enemy I can see that they're in their base right now, and I'm going to try to attack them while they're in their base.
Mm-hmm.
Offlining, which is like all Rust players will say you're the scum of the earth if you offline someone. And then all Rust players also offline people all the time.
Ah,
Yeah, it's
yes.
gamer etiquette.
Yes.
Offline's when, like, hey, I think that my neighbor logged off for the night. You know, they just played 6 hours. I've been watching them, and now there's no activity in their base. So I'm gonna like blow up their walls and take up all their stuff when they're not here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So Rust, because real life is not hard enough, is what it sounds like.
Yeah,
I
that'd be
want
a great tag.
if I want more stress in my life, I'll play Rust. Yeah, I can't wait. So okay, so that's one that sounds like a unique experience and a great joy.